Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Joshua. Welcome to our English lesson. I'm glad you could join us. In today's program, we are going to learn about countable and uncountable. This is part 2. Make sure you watch part 1 first. I hope you enjoy watching and learn something new. Are you ready? Let's get started. What's on my table? An apple, some eggs, some bananas, and some water. Countable. There is an apple. There is an apple. There is an apple. Also countable. There are some eggs. There are some eggs. There are some eggs. Also countable. There are some bananas. There are some bananas. Let's look at uncountable. There is some water. There is some water. Uncountable. There is some water. There isn't a sandwich. There isn't a sandwich. There isn't a sandwich. No sandwich. There isn't a sandwich. Also countable. There aren't any tomatoes. There aren't any tomatoes. There aren't any tomatoes. There aren't any tomatoes. Now for uncountable. There isn't any rice. There isn't any rice. No rice. There isn't any rice. There isn't any rice. Also uncountable. There isn't any milk. There isn't any milk. There isn't a sandwich. There aren't any tomatoes. There isn't any rice. Let's look at a question. A question. Is there a sandwich? Is there a sandwich? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Is there a sandwich? No, there isn't. Is there an apple? Yes, there is. Is there a sandwich? No, there isn't. Is there an apple? Yes, there is. Here are some more countable questions. Are there any pencils? No, there aren't. Are there any eggs? Yes, there are. Are there any pencils? No, there aren't. Are there any eggs? Yes, there are. Let's look at uncountable questions. Is there any rice? No, there isn't. Is there any water? Yes, there is. Is there any rice? No, there isn't. Is there any water? Yes, there is. Rice and water are uncountable. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!